So I would like to apologize for the noise in the background, but I have the air filtration system running. I find that it helps a lot with being able to breathe properly, and I like breathing, so I have to let it run, and sometimes I forget to turn it off when I'm doing the videos, so please forgive that extra noise in the background. But what we're doing right now is we're just getting those faces that were cut on the bandsaw planed flat and clean, so that they will create a good glue joint. And like I said, this stuff planes very easily, so it'll only take a minute and we'll have that ready to go. So as you can see, we got the other piece glued together. I was going to show you that, but the camera turned off and I forgot to check it. So that glued together very nicely, and I'll show what it looks like when it's done. And the pieces that I have in front of that now are for a steel string guitar we're getting ready to do. And as you can see, there are more pieces, and we use a fixture for that I'm getting ready to show you how that goes together. So hang tight. I'm going to show you that right now. And what I'm doing there is just checking to make sure that the joint is flat. And this fixture here holds everything in place, keeps things from slipping around, works really well. And you have all these different pieces, and once you put glue on them, they really want to start slipping around everywhere. So this thing kind of traps everything in place and keeps the angles together and keeps all the pieces together. And we have it all waxed really well, so the pieces won't stick to it when we glue it in there. As you can see, especially up there at that big scarf joint where the neck comes together, that really traps everything really well in there, and you can adjust it all down tight to keep things from slipping back and forth, because you want that angle there to be nice and tight when that's slipping around. It's a critical joint, and these pieces here on the end create the heel, and more glue on there, of course they want to slip all over the place, and so this just really helps in facilitating that glue up.